Hello there and welcome. Do you know in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, he said many things, but he said something pertaining to money that I don't think very many people understand. He said, if you are one of those people who believe that hard work and honesty alone will bring riches, perish the thought because it's not true. Riches, when they come in huge quantities, are never the result of hard work. Now listen carefully. Riches come, if they come at all, in response to definite demands based upon the application of definite principles and not by chance or luck. Wealthy people are not lucky. They're doing something that the other people are not doing. If you check this out, and I have checked it out over a long, long time, wealthy people historically have always had multiple sources of income. They don't have one. I was flying to Malaysia one time. It's 25 hours in the air from Toronto to Kuala Lumpur. That's a long time to be up there. And I was going over and back every month. That's 50 hours in the air for about 5 years. Well, on one trip, I spent a lot of time just thinking and writing. I have a pen and a pad, and I wrote down 1 and 6 zeros, $1 million. $1 million seems to be a magic number. I don't know why, but we've written songs about it. We'll play a little game, say, what would you do if you won $1 million? Generally, what a person tells you, they need 25 or 50 million to actually do. But I wrote $1 million down, and I had earned $1 million back in the 60s. I thought of the friends or the people I know that had earned $1 million or millions of dollars. I thought, what are they doing different? They're, from many points of view, they're very much the same as the people that are struggling from payday to payday. And I kept thinking about it, and it dawned on me, they have more than one source of income. I had more than one source of income. Now think about that. And I wrote it down. I ended up multiple sources of income, MSIs. And of course, I've been teaching it for years. I phoned Mark Victor Hansen when I got off the plane. I think I got him up. It was the middle of the night where he was. And I got him excited about the idea. I said, why don't we teach people how to earn $1 million by setting up multiple sources of income? Well, he immediately got excited. He got a hold of Jack Canfield. We got a hold of Lee Poulos, Bernie Dorman. And a group of us put on what was called the $1 Million Forum. In fact, that's where their Chicken Soup for the Soul books came from. They earned multi-millions on that. Do you want to earn a lot of money? Do you want to get out of that large group that struggle from payday to payday? Set up multiple sources of income. How do you do that? Listen. Money is a reward received for service rendered. That's exactly what it is. Find a need and fill it. And it has nothing to do with work. It has to do with providing service. I wrote a book back in 1984. I've written a number of them, but they're still selling that book, so every time they sell one, I get paid. You can earn more money when you're sleeping than you can when you're awake. You can earn more money when you're sleeping than you could spend when you're awake. Give this serious thought. Don't pass it off. Don't think you can't do it, because I'm going to tell you something. If I can, you can.
Check us out at ProctorGallagherInstitute.com for tips, tools, and resources.